Hello, dear students of grade 2. I missed you so much. This is Muhammad Qasim, your science teacher, and inshallah today we will revise lesson 2 which talks about how do people design new things. How do people design new things? Of course, when you think about something, about a problem that you have and you want to solve it, you will try to find a solution and to solve the problem. Here we have an activity that shows you that you need to keep the warm water warm. Very well. What will you do? Of course, you will try to find some solutions. One of them is to cover the warm water. Let's watch this video.
How can you keep warm water warm? Observe the warm water in both cups. Notice that the temperature in both cups is 66 degrees Celsius. Let's cover one cup with a paper towel and wait 10 minutes. Observe the temperatures again. The temperature in the covered cup is 55 degrees Celsius. The temperature in the uncovered cup is 50 degrees Celsius.
Well, as you see, if you need to do something, you need to think about a solution and to test this solution. This is what our lesson talks to. Let's start. Well, engineers think about a problem that they need to solve it. So they have to put a goal for their thinking. A goal is something you want to do. A goal is something you want to do. And here we have Mr. Chester Greenwood that he wants to keep his ears warm. So what is the goal of Mr. Greenwood? He wanted to find a way to keep his ears warm. So by this way he set a goal. He set a goal. He wanted to find a way to keep his ears warm. After we set a goal, we must plan and draw. Engineers plan and draw before they make new things. So we need to plan and draw. And sometimes we need to plan more than one time and draw more than once. Mr. Greenwood planned to use some wool, scarf, but it caused some scratch in his skin. So what is the best choice? We need to choose material. Yes. After we set a goal and plan and draw, now it's time to choose the material. But what is a material? A material is what something is made of. A material is what something is made of. Materials can be very different, so we need to choose the best one for our choice. What do you think the best material would be for Mr. Greenwood's ear or the ears cover of Mr. Greenwood? We have cotton, we have corduroy, we have fleece, we have rubber. What is the best material? Well, some people will prefer corduroy, but I prefer fleece because it keeps our ears warm. What's after we choose the material? Of course, we will make and test our solution. Do you remember Mr. Greenwood? Yes. Well, he make an ear flaps that kept his ears warm. But when he moves, running, and so on, it cannot be fixed or on his ears. So he need to fix it or to make it stable on his ears. What he will do, he will design a spring, a steel spring to fit on his head, so he will keep his ears warm and keep the ear flaps in place over his ears. After his solution is made, he will record and share the data for what he has done. Well, you can use labels, you can draw, you can do anything, such as our ear muffs here.
Engineers think about a problem that needs to be solved. Then, they set a goal to find a solution to the problem. A goal is something you want to do. Engineers plan and draw before they make new things. Sometimes they plan and draw more than once. Engineers also choose materials to make new things. A material is what something is made of. Materials can be very different. Some materials can be soft or hard. Some can be heavy or light. Engineers make and test the solution to their problem. They want to find out how well their design works. Sometimes they can change their design. They do this to make their design better. Engineers record what they have done. They write about their designs. They may also draw and label their designs. Recording helps engineers remember what they have done. Sometimes engineers share what they have done with others. Got it? Sure you do.
I am sure that you got it. And now let's revise the steps of making new things. As you see here, we have 5 pictures that show us that how the steps of designing a new things. First of all, what is this man or this boy doing? He think about a problem. What he needs to solve, he think about a problem. Very well. The second picture, what will be? Of course, we set a goal for our do or our solution. We set a goal to find the solution. What's after? We should plan and draw. We should plan and draw. Very well. After we plan and draw, we should test the solution. We should test the solution. We should I made a mistake. We should make the solution first and then test it to see if it's working or not. Well, this is everything for today. Study hard. See you next session. Bye.